Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add location on the TikTok videos. So this is the new update. Now you can add location with your videos, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on this record button in the middle. Once you will do it, now you can simply record or upload a new video. Now you have to click on this tick button. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the next, as you will see on the right bottom. And right here you will see add location button, so you have to click on that and you can add location with your video and then simply post it on the TikTok. So this is the procedure to add location on the TikTok videos. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.